This is going to be a short intro and beginner's guide to StreamDeck. It can do a lot of great things. I've only scratched the surface, so you're only going to get the surface. I mostly use it for sounds in my chat, but you can do a lot more. You can make scene selection or scene switches in your OBS. You can mute the microphone, which I will show you. You can do all kinds of things, but as soon as I get around to it, I will upload some more content for you about StreamDeck. This is going to be from a beginner's viewpoint, so everybody should be able to follow along. So let's get into it. This is what it looks like when you open it, and I have some sounds already imported, and I have uploaded some images also so I can tell them apart. We have like this one.
This aggression will not stand, man.
Or we can have something like this. Or just simply,
how about no?
So let's get into it. We have the multi-action. We have the play audio. We'll click that and we'll drag it over on the side to an empty spot. We give it a title. And I have already chosen what I'm going to do here. Yawn. We'll select the file. Ah, there it is. StreamDeck. Yawning. And then we'll go over here and we'll click set from file. Desktop. StreamDeck. Yawn. There we go. Here we can change the volume setting. Usually it's very loud as the default output. You can choose all kinds of stuff. It won't show here apparently, but you can choose speakers, headphones, and all the kinds of outputs that you have. Play around with it and see what works for you. And that's it. It should be easy to go. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. Okay, then we'll take down here. OBS Studio. If you don't have OBS Studio, then you have to download the latest update. As soon as you have downloaded the update, you're good to go. Be sure to be very correct in installing it. As far as I remember, it's a little tricky at start, but if you just read it carefully, it's going to be quick and fast. So OBS Studio, and then we'll choose audio mixer, drag it to an empty spot, and use the title and source, desktop audio, toggle mute. So that means whenever we click on it, it will mute the microphone. And click on it again, and it will unmute. It's good if you are a kind of person that coughs once in a while, or for long spaces where you have to do something else, like editing. Then you can mute the microphone so it doesn't automatically record background sound you make. And there you go. And while we're at it, a little note about copyright that I think I have detected. I got a video banned message the other day that I had to replace some audio. And luckily it says which audio it is that is banned. And apparently it was the George Michael Careless Whisper saxophone theme. And it means that someone is using that that part of a very recognizable beat and tune. Someone is using it for monetization, so therefore you cannot use it. So the banning system regarding copyright is apparently something that people are getting paid for. So that means that if it's in a movie or something that is not monetized, then you can use it. But if it's monetized, then you cannot use it. In some cases, it's a trial and error. But yeah, I hope you got a little something out of this, and see you the next time. Take care. Bye bye.